How to use status. So first, once you're in the app, click Get Started. And next what you need to do is just type in how old are you. Let's go 21. Now go to the settings. Make sure that you change your username into something that you want. And then click Create My Own. This means that you create your own original character and you choose a fandom. But let's actually just do celebrities. Let's pick Hollywood. Let's play. You can play as yourself as an original character, or you can use someone else's character. Let's say that I want to play as Tom Holland. I'm gonna click play as Tom Holland, and let's say his first follower is this girl. Now if you want to set the chemistry between people, you gotta pay for the upgraded version of the app, which is 50 cents a day, $200 a year. But anyways, let's create the world, and now make your first post. You can write your own post, you can use the random prompt, or you can react to events happening in your scenario. Your posts affect followers, reputation, character relationship, and story progression. So we can just post this. You can reply to other characters, just like that. And you can even send direct messages. So let's go here, let's message, and now we can message Zendaya. You can also participate in events and activities. Random events appear while playing. You can pick from suggested responses, write your own response, or organize activities with multiple characters. These events reward XP and influence your story. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.